Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
If you've ever spent time practicing with drones, this one might feel a little intimidating at first. Simply put, it could be the only drone right now that combines true FPV-style agility with a full panoramic view at the same time. Even more impressive is how easy it is to control while still capturing incredibly cinematic footage. In many ways, its arrival could completely change how aerial stories are filmed. To be honest, I had a feeling DJI would eventually launch a panoramic drone, but I didn't expect the design to look this cool. What's particularly interesting is that when you combine the R1 body with a 360-degree panoramic camera lens, you essentially get what feels like an R1 3.0. But flying at such low altitudes means safety becomes extremely important. Think about bringing a drone like this to a ski resort. Normally, you'd have to reserve the entire area, and nobody would want to ski while a drone is flying around them. But things are different now. DJI has equipped the Osmo 360 with 4 protective guards and a protective frame, and it's noticeably quieter than the Avata 2. This design not only improves safety during flight, but also makes low-altitude, close-range shooting possible. For most people, the problem isn't the desire to fly a drone, it's the fear of doing it. The Avatar 360 basically removes that hesitation. It also offers 2 ways to get started. If you enjoy the immersive experience of flying, you can put on the goggles and control it with motion-based leg controls. But if you're more comfortable with traditional drone flying, you can simply use a remote controller. Either way, you still get precise aiming and control. If you've flown drones or Avata models before, you know the camera always shows exactly what it's seeing. But this device changes that completely. Instead of capturing just one direction, it records the entire environment around it. Unlike traditional FPV cameras that lock you into fast spins and tight angles, this drone creates a fully panoramic aerial studio. You can look to the left, turn to the right, watch the ocean below, or catch the sunset glowing behind the clouds, all from the same flight. Everything becomes possible with the Avatar 360. Honestly, for the first time, I felt confident shooting footage without planning every single angle beforehand. I could simply fly first and decide later what shot I wanted to use. That's the real power this small device brings. If you'd like to learn more about the image quality, specs, and full feature set, make sure to check out our in-depth review after its official release on March 26th.